Alright, Mud Crew Forger here. I'm hoping someone out there can help me diagnose a very sensitive and sometimes stuck horn. I'm trying to replicate it right now, and this has just started very recently. I was actually driving down the road and my horn stuck on, and I had to kind of get behind the airbag and horn module and kind of pull it towards me a little bit to make it stop. But to try to give you an idea of what's going on, I'm just gonna use one finger. It's on, it's stuck on, and I have to get behind it and pull it back towards me. I don't understand this. And it makes me think it's not the horn relay, but rather contact points in the airbag and horn part of the steering wheel that are malfunctioning or something. I mean, I haven't hit the steering wheel or anything. And also, if I put my knee on the bottom of the steering wheel and push up, of course it doesn't do it now when I have the camera rolling, but if I'm driving down the road and I need to use my knee to steer for just a second, I'll push it up into the bottom of the steering wheel and it'll go off. But I don't know what's going on. If somebody has any idea or any advice, it'd be much appreciated. Thank you.